Hi to everyone, this is RK and you are watching Vidhya 4vikas Academy channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is related to physics, class 11. Okay, so the topic is about the trajectory of an object thrown at a certain angle with the horizontal is a parabola. Okay, so here what we had did is we had thrown an object standing here by making an angle theta with the horizontal. So obviously when we are playing in the ground we used to throw a ball and we think that when we throw a ball horizontally it will go straight, but as its velocity gradually decreases it takes a parabolic path. Okay, so that topic we'll discuss here. So let us discuss about the topic. A body thrown into the air with an angle theta with the horizontal is called as projectile. See, whatever the object you have thrown here, that object is called as a projectile when it is making an angle theta with the horizontal. And the path followed by it is called as trajectory path. Clear? For example, we have taken a stone and we had thrown upon upon someone. So what will happen? It will take a parabolic path. So when we are throwing it, we are throwing with the horizontal. This is called as vertical. Now we are throwing like this in this direction. So it is horizontal. So the path taken by it is called as a trajectory path, and the object which you had used there is called as projectile. So let a body is projected from point O from here, okay, with an initial velocity u at an angle theta with the horizontal. Okay, so the velocity u can be resolved into two perpendicular or two rectangular components. One is a ux, another one is uy, along x-axis and along y-axis. So it can be taken as ux is equal to u cos theta. In the same way, uy is equal to u sin theta. And now by saying this, you will think that again the math terms we are seeing in the physics. But what we can do, without this we can't complete the topic. Not only topic, in physics also we require these trigonometric terms. Okay. So horizontal component Vx is taken as u cos theta and vertical component Vy is taken as u sin theta. After time t, the horizontal distance traveled. Let us think, as the horizontal we are taking x-axis. So distance traveled I am mentioning or I am denoting with x. That is equal to u cos theta t. How we got this? If it is a distance, this will be the velocity, this will be the time. You know, velocity or speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. So if we want a distance, so cross multiply. Sorry. Okay. So speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. So in the same way, this is what we have taken. Okay. So in this way we have taken this one. So I will write this as t is equal to x by u cos theta. Let it be equation 1. Nothing but I have taken distance traveled, horizontal distance traveled, x is equal to u cos theta t. So as I want t, so I have cross multiplied this to this side, then x by u cos theta. Let it be equation 1. Now after t seconds, vertical displacement. Now we discussed about horizontal displacement. Now vertical displacement. Vertical displacement means in the y-axis. So y is equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square. I think you are well known with this equation. S is equal to ut plus half it square. Minus we have taken because it is a vertical going against gravity. acceleration due to gravity changes to, a changes to g, which is going against the direction of gravity, so we are taking minus. And velocity in the vertical component is u sin theta. Here we mentioned uy is equal to u sin theta. Okay, so as we got a t value here, let us substitute t value in this one. So you will get u sin theta into x by cos theta. I think I have forgotten u. Okay, now it's fine. Plus half g. Here also t value x square by u square cos square theta. This u will be cancelled. Okay, so we will get, so we'll write x here, and next sin theta by cos theta is tan theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta, that is y is equal to. Okay, so what I will do is, this part, let it be a. Let us think tan theta is a, and this part, let us think it is b. Means x tan theta, in x tan theta I had taken tan theta, and we will think tan theta as a, and half g by u square cos square theta is b, not x square, and we are leaving x square, remaining term is b. So then we will get a is equal to, y is equal to ax minus bx square. So this equation represents parabola. Okay, so this equation represents parabola. Kya bola? Parabola. Okay, so just kidding. So here we got a parabolic equation. Nothing but we assumed, or we had taken that a projectile taken trajectory path. Obviously we got, so when we are standing upon the ground at a point and we are throwing an object with an initial velocity u, making an angle theta with the horizontal, then the path taken by that is called as a trajectory path, which is a parabolic path. Okay, so this is the question. So I will summarize the question once again. So our aim is to show that the trajectory of an object thrown at certain angle with the horizontal is a parabola. So first draw the diagram. Here take x-axis and y-axis. So as I told you, a body is thrown into the air at an angle theta with the horizontal is called as projectile. Now the path followed by it is called as a trajectory. Okay, so this is the first point we will write again. So just assume you are standing in a ground and you are throwing an object. Obviously you will do that when your friend is there, and when you are calling him he won't listen, then what you will do? You will pick a stone and you will throw upon him. So the stone it will be a projectile and it takes parabolic path before hitting him. Okay, so if first point will be a body thrown into the air at an angle theta to the horizontal is called as a projectile, and the path followed by it is called as a trajectory path. Now second point, now we have to explain the diagram. Let a body projected from point O with an initial velocity u at an angle theta with the horizontal. The velocity u can be resolved into two rectangular components, that is ux and uy, along x-axis and along y-axis, that is point 2. Okay, so simply remember, first point we have written about projectile, second point about x-axis and y-axis. Now coming to the third one, directly come to here. So as you assumed, upon x-axis the initial velocity is ux, which is equal to u cos theta, and upon y-axis uy is equal to u sin theta. So now it is after t seconds. Now we are considering the time. After t seconds, horizontal distance traveled x is equal to u cos theta into t. I told you speed is equal to distance by time. So distance will be speed into time. So this is that. So from this equation, I have taken t. So this will be cross multiplied. So t is equal to x by u cos theta, equation 1. Now, same thing as you have discussed about the distance traveled in the horizontal component. Now, after t seconds, distance traveled on vertical displacement. Y is equal to u sine theta minus half gt square. Second equation of motion. So, as we are having t value here, we are substituting here. Then u sine theta x by u cos theta minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. You get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and x has written here minus half g x square by u square cos square theta. So here tan theta is assumed as a and half g u square cos square theta is taken as a b. So the equation will be very simple. Y is equal to ax minus bx square. So it is in the form of a parabolic equation. So we proved that a trajectory path of a projectile or the projectile which takes a trajectory path when it is thrown with an initial velocity u making an angle theta with the horizontal is a parabolic path. This is a long answer question and very important question for the board examination. Thank you.